Hello guys! Today is June 13, 2022. Look, he is installing a new range stove in Japan. Just already compact range, then put actually I used my old one for 17 years. Because of my blood, I have to make it new one. Ayan po, ayan siya. Then we can grill fish and some seafoods there. Later you will see how new it is. Maybe more closer so you can see. Yeah, this is new one. Actually, before he came, already organized my cabinet for preparing meals. It's already also installed cabinet. Can you see how organized it is, like this? My mixer, my soup, preparing soup, my tefal over there. Hello. Then look what will be. Wow, look. It's really stainless. A new one. So I ordered it in Yamada Denki. It costs in Japanese yen, it's 139,000. Free installation. So in peso it costs, Jumang is 40,000 peso plus 30 lapad, 30 pieces. So times 4, it's again 12. So it's 52,000 peso. Actually, in Japan, mansion is like condominium. This is my kitchen. Just very narrow. And refrigerator. Hindi ko muna din. This is our cabinet for my microwave, for coffee maker. Our dishes. Then I use this cabinet for storage of noodles and everything. So he's still working. So maybe try to focus first on my big cabinet. Storage for dishes, glasses, and over there is my rice cooker. I bought new trash can. So later I will put my new trash can over there. I don't like it anymore. So probably this is new. This is the burner. This is installing. So as for now, by now, and after installing, maybe I vlog for a new one with my cooking. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and comment down there. Thank you guys. Bye.